Alright, it's time to fix this mess. First off, let's take some bleach. Mixing the bleach in with some shampoo. And make sure you put your gloves on. I then just applied it all over. I avoided the ends mostly though, because I don't want to damage my hair too much. That's why I use the shampoo mixture. Because I'm mostly just trying to lift out this blue-green colour. Whoops, forgot my glasses. I've just gone back over the blue section a little bit more just to make sure that I really lift that out. Once this has been applied all over, I then took a comb and just combed it through to make sure I got it all as even as possible. I then leave on for half an hour and then rinse out in the shower. As you can see, it lifted out pretty well. There's still a little bit of blue left in the front section, but most of it's gone, which is good. I'm sure that will cover pretty well. Once it's all dried, we can start applying the actual colour. Woohoo! Alright, I think we're ready for colour. Here we have Riche Directions in Plum and Flamingo Pink. Woohoo! This time I put some glad wrap around my glasses because I'm going to need them to see. I've sectioned off my hair and I'm using the plum on my roots and using the flamingo pink at the ends, mixing them together in the middle. This is pretty messy. Unfortunately I only had one good glove, so I had to use some glad wrap on my other hand, which didn't last long. I just ended up with a purple hand. Now this is quite a long process because you have to do strand by strand or little section by little section just to make sure that you get it all covered nicely. And also because I had to keep changing between my brushes from the purple and the pink. It's also really difficult doing this by yourself because you can't see the back. We just carry on like this until we finish. Now don't worry too much if you do get this on your skin. As you can see, I get it everywhere. I always make a mess. It does come off just with some like face wipes or even just soap and water gets it off eventually. Now for my length of hair, I did use both containers fully up. So if you were just using one colour, you would need 2 containers of this to cover your whole head. You just really want to make sure you are getting all of the strands. Last piece, and then we're done. Once you're done, leave that for an hour and then rinse off with cold water and comb and dry. Now that worked out pretty well, if I do say so myself. I hope you guys like my video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.